where to put your registration number on your drone. Hi guys, I'm Howard from Cyber Times LLC, Howard's Tech Blog, and today I'm going to talk about the new FAA regulations for where to put your registration number on your drone. And this was just recently changed. If you own a drone that is 0.55 pounds or greater, you have to register it. When you first got your drone, you had to go online to the FAA and register it, and then they would email you a registration number, and that registration number from the FAA was supposed to go somewhere on your drone before you fly. I put my registration number on my battery, which is in the battery compartment. But now, as of February 23rd, the registration number has to be on the outside of your drone. It's very important to make those changes. You would be in violation if you didn't put that registration number on the outside. If anything happens, like you crash into a car or a house or a person, I hope not, and there's any damage over like $500, you would have to file a report. If you lost your drone, that registration number would help people return it to you, and it's better that it's on the outside. So it's important when you get a drone, register it if it's over 0.55 pounds, and most of the drones are, except for the toys. Get that registration number, put it on the outside of your drone. I put it on with a little sticker. If you like this tech blog, please subscribe. The subscribe button is on the right hand corner of the screen.